Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to our Spring AI classes. In our previous class, we learned how the image models will work and how we can integrate with the Spring AI. Today we'll learn about one more concept, audio models. In these audio models, we have three different providers provides the LLMs to connect to the Spring AI. One is transcription API. Spring AI provides a unified API for speech to text transcription through the transcription model interface. What it will do, it will allow us to write portable code that works across different transcription providers. If you see here, these are the support providers. OpenAI's Whisper API, Azure OpenAI, Whisper API. This is the one of the transcription model where we'll have the audio transcription model. Then it will transcribes the audio from the given prompt. How we will give the prompt? The audio transcription prompt class encapsulates the input audio and options. This is the audio where our audio will be there. This is the audio transcription response. This is a basic example how we can write. First, we can have the transcription model, then transcription audio, then we'll get the response. What it will do, this service works seamlessly with OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, or any other transcription providers with the actual implementation determined by your Spring Boot configuration. Provider specific features, OpenAI audio transcriptions, Azure OpenAI options. For detailed configuration, we have to see the individual provider documentation pages. Next is Azure OpenAI. This is one of the model. If you see here, Azure OpenAI transcriptions, same way like image model, chart models. For Azure OpenAI, which will have the Azure Whisper model. First, we need to get the key. Then we need to configure that key in application properties or YAML file. Then we need to add the in pom.xml as a dependency or gradle. Then we need to mention the configuration properties like spring.ai, azure.openai, audio transcription options model, audio transcription. These properties based on our requirement, we need to update in our property file. Runtime options. The Azure OpenAI audio transcription options class provides the options to use when making a transcription. These are the transcription options we can provide. These are the prompt we can give. Then we can get the response prompt. Manual configuration, pom.xml we have to use as a Spring AI Azure OpenAI dependencies. This is a sample code where we can give our OpenAI endpoint as well as our audio file path. This is about the Azure OpenAI. Next is OpenAI. OpenAI also Spring AI supports OpenAI's transcription model. For this also same what we learned in our previous model. What are the prerequisites? First we need to get the API key, configure that API key and add the dependency in pom.xml. Update the properties as per our requirement. then write the simple code. This video tells about the how we can write a simple file, but you can explore as per your requirement. These are the manual configuration. This is the open AI audio API. This is a model. This is the transcription options. This is about the audio models. Then one more is text to speech API. Text to speech API provides Spring AI provides a unified API for text to speech through the text to speech model and streaming text to speech model interfaces. This allows you to write portable code that works across different text to speech providers. We have OpenAI Speech API and 11 Labs text to speech API. All text to speech provider implement the following shared interfaces. Text to speech model. If you see here, text to speech model is there. We'll have the call, then we can provide the prompt. This is the common interface. Stream. If you want a streaming model, we can use the streaming text to speech model. Whoever the provider, whether it's 11 Labs or OpenAI, specific to that model configuration we need to provide in our application properties, then we can implement logic based on our requirement. This is how the text to speech integration with Spring AI will work. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.